Okay, so we have a standard deck of cards, which remember is 52 cards. There's 4 different suits, 13 each. That gives us a total of 52 cards. What is the probability that the card is not a heart? So remember, in our standard deck of cards, we have 13 of each suit. Okay, and we have 52 cards in a deck. So if we have the probability of getting a heart would be 13 out of 52. But that's not what the question's asking. The question says, what is the probability of not getting a heart? So we would do 52 minus 13, which would give us 39. So my probability would be 39 over 52. Does that reduce? No. So that would be my answer.